I'd heard so much about the Royal Welsh College before I came here that I just knew it was the place that I wanted to study.
I instantly fell in love with the people that trained here, the teachers, this beautiful building.
There's been so many opportunities this year for all of our year group. We've met lots of brilliant casting directors this year, Pearson Casting, David Grindrod, and we've got to perform in front of some of them, which was an absolute honour.
So many wonderful directors, Michael Morwood, Charlie Ingalls, and it's such a great way of being introduced to the industry, but in a really safe environment.
And obviously, of course, all the other courses around us who we get to collaborate with on productions.
We have in-house designers, technicians, actors, and there's a definite sense of family.
I'd heard from past students that it was a really welcoming environment and that it was so nurturing and you always felt comfortable in whatever classes you were in.
Everything in this college is at such an exceptional level. Everyone is on their own journey. So in terms of opportunities, it really is tailored to you.
Seeing the talent coming out of these doors really inspired me to audition here. They aim to create individuals who know their selling points and are ready to enter this industry with grace and a bag of tools which will help them on their way.
At the start of the year, I was definitely not as confident as I am now. And I feel like that's really such a big tool for this industry. You've got to have so much confidence.
I now have the knowledge, the determination, and the confidence to enter this industry.
The highlights of the course have been the people that have been here along the way, the staff and everyone around the college, and the sense of community that being in a center of learning for the arts brings has been absolutely phenomenal and has impacted my growth tremendously.